Happy Father's Day to all the mothers and all the fathers who are mothers and fathers. Happy Father's Day. Yeah. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Happy Father's Day to all the ladies who are fathers. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers who are fathers. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers who are in the process of becoming a father. And I want to say a pleasant good morning to Erica, the landlord. I want to say a pleasant good morning to Chocolate and Vanilla. And I want to say a pleasant good morning to the Planka Boss, aka 99. Yes, I want to say a big happy Father's Day to everyone, and big up the lady at 99, aka teaching your cooking skill down a go. Yes, that is how you do it. That is how you do it. Yes, that is how you do it. You understand? When you know say your bank book tall, and you know say your bank book, now you don't know overdraft. I know say no landlord now look for you. I know say you know strap for cash. That is how. Yes, Caddy, yeah. Big up to everyone, sure I'm Bluefield, everyone. Yes. When you know say your bank book tall and your money tall, your money the way up there, you make people know say, yo, you know beggar, you know borrow, you know scrub. You know need, and guess what happened to you? You know, let me tell you something. You know what I like about it? Them spend $200 that I trade and I get 500. Tip on top of it. That is called interest. Eh? You see, hey, you see what Dana have a good at? You see what Dana have a good at? Eh? You see what Dana have a good at? You get, them get extra money on top of it. $500. All that smoke that in your pipe. $500. Go make up that on parent, you know, because when the lady at time telling her say she don't need it. The lady can't pay for her trip for go anywhere she want to go. She can rent a private jet if she want to. You know we can do that. You know we take plane like taxi. You know what I'm saying? You see? And that is not donor money, you know. That is not donor money. That is money that comes from personal account. Remember, you know, the woman live in Jamaica, you know, and the one have a pit liver friend, you know, have her money, you know. Remember, say I pity them, you know. So all she ever does call her daughter and son and say, send $500 and stuff, and I say, mommy, no problem, money sent. When you can have bank account in a Jamaican bank account in a foreign with thousands of dollars, you know say things are going, man. Yeah. $500. $500. All that. Pay your rent to that. Go buy some shit to that. And don't want to come take show off and on talk about, I'm going to give it away. Don't give it away, because you know if you give it away, you don't know, so you broke and pauperize. You need the money. Father's Day today. Yeah. Remember, you know, you can't pay rent now. Pay the little late fee we have with old people and pay the rent now, man. Nobody take you and go. Nobody take you and go to Red Lobster and go down now. Yeah, nobody take it. And now come show off on top of, oh, somebody call me a get them and I want it back. The difference is you give the money with a dirty heart and a wicked heart. And cause you give the woman one little trip. You feel like say you own the woman. The woman say, yo, all this now, you like a dirty pipe and smoke that. All that. $500 on your nastiness from over the big platform. You can't say the big platform never give you money. Yeah, $500. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Hungry. Hungry like dog. Hungry. Hey. Yo, yesterday, funeral keep yesterday in a big funeral, you know, man. 11,000 people, their funeral, I want the biggest funeral that keep on Facebook still, you know. Biggest funeral keep on Facebook yesterday. 11,000 people come out in them black and white, you know. 11,000, you know. Come out in them black and white. Right? Yeah, man. Yeah, girl that and say, take that back, you know, and that. And that are not donor money. That are the woman personal money. And not donor money and not keep money. That come from the personal account. Oh my, shot fire. Right now, then cash up the lonely. Right now, then cash up at 5. Hey. From the year, from COVID start, I say, from last year till now, at the highest money that ever going on then cash up. Highest. Ever going there one time, 500. I be a $2 and $3 and $5. $500, put that in your pipe and smoke it. I go buy some diaper with it. Go buy some. No, you can't go buy some food now. You can't go to Costco now and go buy some. Go to Costco, go buy and stack up. Get on Costco card and stack up here now. Yeah. What is the people? All who say, yeah, $500. Hold that. All the people them. We agree. So $500. Hold that. Yeah. And guess what happened? The woman don't have to come on Facebook and say, people, may I beg you to send back the money for me. The woman is going to call her pick me and say, yo, go in at the account and send $500 over so. Find the cash up and send it over there. You understand? That is amazing. She not have a big feet. And guess what? If she go up on the line and say, yo, we need $500, I get that all 20 times. Eh? Rent can't pay now. Because the next rent will come up. The next rent coming up. You understand? Maybe you can take the phone. My suggestion to you, here we go on. Here we go on. I give you a little suggestion still. Although I don't like you. Because one time ago, I could have watched it. No, I can't take you. I can't. That's why I go over man for you. I go over man for you. That's why I go over man for you. Yeah. People may have the video. Yeah. I have the video. If you don't want to see the video, I have the video. My WhatsApp number is 973-342-2487. 973-342-2487. That's my number. You can WhatsApp. I'm going to tell you something. Over the fence. I'm going to tell you over the fence. Take my suggestion. You see that 500 where you get this morning? I want you to take that $500 and put it to use. That $500, the fact that it is coming from somebody that is protected by God, that run by God, I want you to take that $500 and change your life around. That $500 can make your life change for better, not for worse. That is a start you get in a life. You get a start. Right? The lady give you a start. The lady give you a start for you can turn it into your business, better yourself, call somebody and go fix your credit, pay the bank them for them overdraft for you owe them for. That is a start. You get $500 start. $500 start you get. You get $500 for start life over. That $500, if you turn it around, if you're smart, take that $500 and go a man and go buy some sheet. And take that, because let me tell you something. You see, you take that $500 here and get it up on Facebook because I show I've got to go beat your bad. And you take that $500 there and go a Red Lobster, go sit down and I'm going to beat your bad. And you take that $500 and waste, you got to go beat your bad. And you take that $500 and don't put it to use and change your life. Like how you worthless, you go water worthless. You see? No, no, I want everybody on the page right now. Put up on the page and say, thank you, Dana. Everybody put up on the page and say, thank you, Dana. Everybody put up on the page and say, thank you, Dana. Dana get a start in her life now. You get a start. You get a start to stop living an overdraft. You get a start to better your life. The lady start, you know. She start your life. She realized that your life is in a ditch. And the lady turn around and change your life around right now. $500 and change your life. You can go to right. Yes, I want to thank Dana for, and you need to come on to and say, thank you. 99 for give me a start in her life. Yes, I want to put up, all I want to thank Dana. All I want to put up on the page, everybody, thank Dana. Yes, thank Dana for give her a start in her life. Dana just give you a charity. You can't say you never get charity from over there. You just get charity. You just get charity. You just get charity. And you know why? It a go work for you now? Because she give you the first $500 out of fear pocket to start life over. She give you the first $500 to make your life be successful because she realized that you need it. She realized that you're living in a depression. She realized that the broke state of mind we're in, she give you $500 to start your life. Listen. I pray that God will continue to bless you and guide you. I pray that God will give you all the strength for what you have done. For that non-element. You did not have to do it. You did not have to do it. But you do it because the mercy of God have called out to you and said, help a sister that is in need. Help a sister financially problem. Preach, Brother Chris, preach. The Lord says, knock and it shall be open, ask and it shall be given. And you came out and I know you asked that you want the money, you get $500. I pray to God that you will take that money and change your life because your life needs to change. I pray to God that you will change your life. You need the $500. I know you need it. I can see it. I can see it. And as much as you get the $500, me still not take care of you for you. You have the dope them off your box it out. Only thing I try to tell you, make sure so you have food in the yard to feed the dope them when they come out your yard. Make sure you have the fruit, and you know what kind of fruit them like already, because you know the other thing. Make sure you have the mango. Make sure you have them grape. And make sure you have the watermelon. And the apple. Don't put no orange in it. Because when the duppy then come at your yard, them need food for eat. And me not take you over for you. That 500 there, let me tell you, if you know me know, you say 500 then I give this man to start a life over. I think you better take care and go find somewhere else and go live, because the duppy then not come out there. They not come out there. That is so good, you get 500 to start a life over. But I mean, I never see it coming. I know people, me not lie. Me never know, say. Boy, Dana, me I tell a man, me I tell a lady, God put upon this earth for a reason. God have anointed you for a reason. God have given you the strength to help so much people. God have give you so much energy that you all help people a friend, you give people a friend donation. Eh? You're giving people a foreign donation. That is when you know, say, you're blessed and you're covered, and the Lord is leading you. When you can't give people a foreign donation, may God bless you, and may God continue to anoint you, and may God continue to bless your kids. And I hope that the one will take the $500 lady. Let me tell you something. When somebody give you something with a willing heart, don't take it and waste it. You will sin. Although you sin already. The money come from a clean heart person. The money come from a clean heart person. That is why, let me tell you something. You're going to see your life I go up right about now. Right? You go see, let me tell you something, woman. You go see, oh, you can't go in a store and buy clothes and stop go at the pickup place and pick up clothes. That the 500, let me tell you, you say 500 a day? That 500, you can't go. I want rainbow, I want easy pickings, and spend the money there, I'm going to call my son come out the door. You can't go on easy picking, and buy a whole outfit, right? Alright, now I tell you to Rastafari, man. Boy, Dana, I tell you, man, God bless you, man. God bless you, man. Me love how you reach out and give somebody a foreign 500. Me not lie, lady. Lady, you have it. Dana, you have it, man. Me tell you, say you have it. You have it, man. God bless you, man. Boy, me tell you, much people sit down right now. But all you have another one. You have another one too. If them want a 500 too, because they're not really. They're not really depend on me, Them broke. Them broke right now. Well, I'm going to turn off this. Turn off my Bluetooth. Back up in my driveway. Them want a 500. They have another one. Broke, yeah. Broke and paparazzi. Broke, yeah. Want money, yeah. I dead from ya. Why I want to know. But all the things go down at them go, yeah, that's what happened. And the people go off 500. Yes. But guess what happened? Then can't say I'm a woman empowerment. This is a woman empowerment. This Miss Princess, you need to put her award for this. Yeah, you need to put her, Miss Princess, you need to give a trophy for this. You need to give a trophy for this, Miss Princess. Miss Princess, you should give a trophy for this. Yes, this is how you call woman empowerment. Because then I just empower somebody. Then I just do a $500 while I got to radio up on social media. $500 to people are foreign. $500. You understand? $500. Then I just give it. This is what you call woman empowerment. This is woman empowerment. I like this for this Father's Day. Then I give them a Father's Day present to backside. I just realize. Then get Father's Day present. You know, I get some new sign. Yeah, Father's Day present. I tell them, man, they like this. That just make my Father's Day. Anybody want to come on the live, send me an invite. Anybody want to come on the live, send me an invite. Send me an invite if you want to come on the live. Anybody want to come on the live, send me an invite. If you have anything to say, you know what I mean, and want to say Happy Father's Day to the individual over there, because, boy, and get a nice Father's Day present. Yeah? Right now to Radigo, you can buy new glasses, you know. I want to know boss, you know, with the money they do, you know. Yeah, man, I bought you the $500. That me I tell you, I bought you the $500 right now. Let me see who want to come on the live. Somebody send me an invite. Let me see who send me the invite. Let me add the person to the live. Paulette, I want to Paulette. The person sent me an invite a while ago. How was Sharon Bluefield? Sharon, you can't add the person. Oh, you add the person to the live. Nah, I don't know. I know you sit over here, so watching. You're over here. You always the my page, I watch over my page and talk about people I said nothing. You understand? Keep your king quiet. You understand? Keep your king quiet. And nobody go hype up yourself over like when I get to know. Red Lobster, I go man. Remember me tell you before, hey, right now I get money for go Red Lobster. And that me I try to tell you I go right to Red Lobster. Right to Red Lobster I go. Cause in love name lobster, you know, man. In cancer, that I never said in go Red Lobster. You know, the money the woman just give you money to change your life around and make your life better. You just give her money to change your life. Eh? 500, nobody ever give, you never get so much $500 for all the money I beg. You find a holiday on Facebook at $500. You never, and me can't say the invite the people must send me. Find you there on Facebook a blog, nobody, no money, you never get $500 here. Find you there on Facebook a blog, nobody, all the money you beg, you never get, at the most money you ever get in your life, you never get so much money yet. First you ever get so much money. First you ever get so much money. First you ever get so much money. Very first you ever get so much money. You all cash out money I beg every day and I say, listen, let me tell you something. Karaoke, the big platform gift, yeah. All karaoke night and I beg you money. They not give you no money in a karaoke seat, you know. Your boss are fine, you know. I can't say that I never boss your nastiness. You just get you just get a whole month dinner for going here. Hmm? Me see a fry fish there, you know, you can't go buy fish. No, you can't go buy fish. Yeah, you can't go buy fish now, because that day I see you. I see a fry fish. No, you can't go buy fish. You know, let me tell you something. You can't make the little government card. Give the food stamp card a little break for a minute, please. No, you have a little bit of extra money. Give the food stamp card a break. I beg you. Give the food stamp card a break now. You can't get a break. Yeah, you need a little bit of break. Give the food stamp card a break. Yeah, man. Get a little break. Because you didn't really give enough money at one time, you know. But right now, you get a chance. You can give the card a little break. Um, no, 1 minute. Listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying to you, people. I am being real. I'm saying, what I say to the people? A food stamp, when you get a one time, they don't give much on a food stamp. Right? So what I'm saying to you, no, in can get the food stamp a little break and use the $500. Use some of the $500. Right? Use on little money out of 500 and then now save the rest. Understand? Yeah, save the rest, right? Not use up all that money. Don't use up all that money. That's all I'm saying. Not use up all that little money. Yeah, yeah. Me I pray no use up. You can yam, you can yam, but me not really want to use up little money because nobody not, let me tell you something, nobody else not give 500 again, no mama. Nobody on Facebook not give, hey, I had the highest money I gonna get to know. Nobody not give, nobody not feed, you know. Nobody not giving you 500 to nobody. And you yeah, what you want to eat? I even get Father's Day present. That is good. That is nice. My son give me Father's Day present. Look, people, look how my son gets that. Look, look. Damn. You must have, look. Look how tall in this people. I'll buy you a new one. Yeah, somebody buy me a new car. Thanks, catch up. Yeah, my son, look, my son give me Father's Day present. See it here? Father's Day present. My son, I go to now. You want to put your seat back some more? Some more? You buy me, I'm sure you buy me. Father's Day. Some person does. Oh, damn. I like it. Yeah. One other bag, you know, Jay. What's this? Oh, I know what it is. Nice. Yeah, my son give me Father's Day present. Yeah. Yeah. He look just like me. I'm Madrid. Yeah. If somebody give you $500, what would you do? Somebody just, you get up today and you just get five, you just see five. What if you wake, okay, what if you wake up and as you wake up in the morning, you don't expect something, you see $500 in your account. You're 16 now. How would you feel if you wake up and see 500 in your account? Right? Happy, right? I wonder where it came from. So what would you do with the 500 if you see 500? Would you go to a restaurant or would you put it to use? What would you do? Would you save it? Oh no. I want a car. So, you know. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. A lady just got $500. I got free $500. Somebody from you know what? Somebody from Jamaica, send the 500 out to the lady as a donation. 500 US, not Jamaican, Yeah, that's nice for somebody to send 500 US from Jamaica to somebody, right? Yeah. That mean the person. That mean the person have money, right? You know how to do that. That sent, or no, the person that sent it is in Jamaica. Yeah, and has money. No, but what I'm saying, if somebody from Jamaica send you $500, 500 US, they'll give it to you. That means the person is financially stable, right? Okay. I mean, to give away five. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't send $500. If you never have money in the bank, I don't have enough. Like if I had to use it for something, or yeah. The person from Jamaica sent it to somebody because the person needed, so they got a donation from Jamaica. And it's always people from America sending money to Jamaica. Right, but it came the other way. That's God bless. That somebody send you in America, send you from Jamaica $500. Um, yeah, we're gonna go. What you wanna eat though? Your day. Come on. Damn, I can't believe my father. 16 years ago. Um, let me see where we're gonna go eat something. Um, we're gonna go IAP. We're gonna go to IAP and eat. In there is probably packed. And then I go to we got an thing there. Yeah, anyway, I'm going back on the live now. Yeah, me I telling the people, yeah. So as I'm saying, tuning up. I remember it's all going down. It's all going down. Um this Saturday, our road leaves to Toronto, Canada, at the Delta by Marriott, where the biggest woman international show will be kept, right? We go to Miss Princess and all the people that's going to be there, all of her, Dana. Well, I want to forget all her names, so I'm not go. Oh, somebody said, that's right. You're there, not his there. That's why you said I want to go. I wanted your sister to come, but she
She disappears. Like she's not.
But she just fine. She have a phone. She call you on her phone? No. You get her number now. But when I get out the live, I'll talk to you. Yes. Canada, this Saturday. It's all going down this Saturday in Canada, Toronto, Canada, right? Where all the big elites will be there. Will be there. The corporate, Facebook, your favorite Facebook, all of the favorite Facebook people that you love the most will be there this Saturday, right? At the Delta by Marriott, right? Where you should get your ticket is only $125, $20 for the ticket. Buy your ticket and go. You understand? And over the fence. The 500 we get, and nobody take you and go run go to Canada. And not give the little mongrel one, no, the little mongrel one, little chihuahua one, we follow you. You little chihuahua. Little baby alligator one, we follow you. Yeah, that little one, the baby alligator. The mongrel one. Yeah, nobody take none and go over Canada now. Go get little mongrel. Yeah? Um, yeah, only notice, yeah, and yes, I hope I have no food, you know. Yeah, nobody go send them go get little mongrel over there, you know. Little mongrel over Canada. No send no little mongrel over there. The roach, they want the roach. Don't send the money go give to the roach. You understand? Don't send the money go and give to the roach. Right? Don't split the money with the roach. You understand? That she said she was joking. Who was joking? Who was joking? Yeah, I don't lie. Nah, but listen, I want to know over the fence and them a big hey. Yo, right now, the man them a big food, you know, man. Yeah, that's what I have food. My God, them a big food, I know, no, man. Remember me telling you, man. Hey, big food, man, you know, no, man. I would, you know, I could go in and eat free, right? Huh? Yeah. When I go in high up, I don't pay for no food up in high up. Yeah. I don't pay for no food up in high up. They can't tell me they gonna charge me for no food up in high up. Because I'm an elite. Don't go in there. Go in high up. Walk up in that. Yeah. I hope nobody gonna go high up when I'm today. Because love me. Love me. Last time me see me want worm out. Last time me see Terrad Eagle.
Oh,
We got waiting. We got waiting.
yeah.
Good morning, young lady. How are you? I'm coming in today. I say I'm gonna come eat today. What Bubba's? Bubba's not here? Huh? What you there? Wait for me, Jenny. Huh?
I'm fine.
Let's go find out, man. I wish you didn't have, you know.
Fine.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
It's for you.
Yeah. You just find out for me, please. Until our supervisor is here. Yeah, I don't know. You know I'm a big dog. Wherever I go, you know I'm a big dog. Yeah, I run with that load mode. You don't have no choice. Anyway, people, I mean, I have never have a Father's Day breakfast with the son now. Yeah, you know, long they haven't seen you. Oh, last week. Huh? Oh, last week. Let me see you here. Yeah. Let me see you here. All right, people. Guys, I'll catch you later on. And remember, as I said, don't take the 500 and go waste it. Take the 500 and change your life around because the lady have just give you a start in America. So more you try to take that money and put it to use. Turn that 500 into 1,000, into 2,000, into 3,000, into 4,000. Okay? All right, guys.